you must have heard of this so much in recent times. AI is coming for our jobs. Well, I'm here to tell you something else today. And what the guys that actually say this and not tell you is that AI is actually a field that is very ripe for many career opportunities if you know how to grab it. Yes, if you have the requisite knowledge. And that's why I'm actually making this video for you. So let's get into it. So in today's video, I'm actually going to show you how you can also make the oil money in this new field of artificial intelligence. And guys, I'm not talking ChatGPT. ChatGPT is actually very small in what we are talking about. We'll be looking at some promising careers you can actually choose in this field of artificial intelligence. But first, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence just has to do with machines, computers being able to carry out tasks that actually require human intelligence. You know, for Terminator fans, you can actually think of Skynet.
I don't think so.
And I'm very sure you've probably used AI before. You've used ChatGPT. Almost everyone seeing this video should have actually used ChatGPT, which is actually the most prominent AI in the world today that is well known. But even before the launch of ChatGPT, people have actually interacted with AI power systems. You know Google Map? You know when you say, "Hey Siri, play me a song by Ed Sheeran," you're actually interacting with AI. So how does Siri actually know your voice? How does Spotify, YouTube recommend stuffs to you? Are there people running AI? So you see, for AI to be AI, that means for these computer systems, these bots to actually behave like humans, they actually need to be trained. So humans have to train these systems, these computers, these bots in a process that is known as machine learning. And that's where you come in. So humans still have a work to do. They have to teach these machines how to actually behave like humans and respond like humans. So we actually do this by feeding these machines with large amounts of data and then writing codes, what we term algorithm, so that it can actually understand this data that we have fed it with. So here we go. These are the 5 careers I will be sharing with you in this video. Yes. Number 1 is that you can decide to become a machine learning engineer. Remember, we have talked about machine learning earlier, and we said that machine learning just has to do with teaching these computer systems, these both, how to actually behave like humans, how to respond like humans. So you can decide to be a machine learning engineer. So what does a machine learning engineer do? A machine learning engineer actually builds and maintains machine learning systems that can learn and improve over time. They work on algorithms and models that can actually analyze data, detect patterns, and even predict the future. The second one is that you can actually choose to become a data scientist. A data scientist collects, process, and analyze large data sets to identify trends and insights. They use statistical and machine learning models to actually make predictions and even inform business decisions. Number 3 is you can choose to become a natural language processing engineer, what is commonly referred to as NLP engineers. NLP engineers. And what does NLP engineers do? NLP engineers actually develop algorithms and models that can understand and process human language. Remember, we are trying to make artificial intelligence behave like humans, so they have to understand human language. They have to be able to process human language and give back feedback in human language like humans.
Why can't you just accept it?
Because we're human.
So the work of NLP engineers is to train AI algorithms to be able to understand and process human language. For example, they work on applications such as voice assistants, chatbots, and even sentiment analysis. Hey Google. Number 4 on this list is that you can decide to be a computer vision engineer. And what do they do? What is their work? Computer vision engineers actually work on algorithms or models that understand visuals, that analyze visual data such as images, videos. I know for sure that you have actually used applications that has to do with facial recognition. So this facial recognition is part of the works of computer vision engineers. You also know of object detection, self-driving cars. There are a lot of apps out there today that detect objects. You use video editing apps, you use AI that generates images, that generate videos. All these are specifically the work of computer vision engineers, and we are actually expecting the rolling of self-driving cars. These self-driving cars are going to use a lot of sensors and artificial intelligence that will be able to detect objects around them, detect visuals, detect people, detect other cars, and it's gonna be a really, follow me English, guys. Babe, what do you think about this actually? About self-driving cars. Speak loud, let them hear you. Guys, don't mind me, let's continue. And the last I'm bringing you on this list in this video is robotics engineer. You can decide to specialize in the field of robotics engineering. Robotics engineer actually design and build robots that can perform tasks autonomously, and that's why they say robots will take over our jobs. But then, who are those building these robots? That's where you come in, like I've said earlier. It's either robots take over your jobs, or you have a job building robots. Don't forget this, write this down. Who are those that are going to build our drones, our medical robots, robots that are going to perform industrial tasks, what we call industrial automations? Yes, robotics engineers will do that. So how do you get started? There are actually places you can learn artificial intelligence from, such as Coursera, Google AI, edX, and even fast.ai. So I'm going to be dropping the links in the description below. Do well to check it out. And mind you, these links are not affiliate links. I'm not getting a commission from them. I'm just putting them there so that you can easily go learn. So I'm also going to be putting the price and the duration. Some of them are free, while some you have to pay a stipend, and some you have to pay for the certification. So do well to check it out in the description of this video below. Now let me say this importantly. Unlike other careers, AI and machine learning is actually best learned with some good knowledge of backend engineering. So I would advise you to check out this video if you want to learn more about backend engineering. And that's it for today, guys. Do well to drop your comment in the comment section. Which of these careers will you like to choose? Which of these career paths will you like to tread? Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to catch you soon.